Okay, taking a look at number 9. First step, we want to be sure that it is written in standard form, and it is. We have 0 equals 4x squared minus 25. That 0 is there to replace the y, because when we're finding the solutions or intercepts, y is always 0. So I'm going to use the factoring method. I'm going to factor 4x squared minus 25. Now the middle term, it canceled out. There's no x term, the b value of this quadratic. So I can look at the first and the last terms to help me out with this, and I notice that they're both perfect squares. You probably remember this from chapter 8. So the square root of 4x squared is 2x, and that's going to be my first term. 2x times 2x gives me the 4x squared. And then last term is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 5 gives you 25. Now, being that the middle term canceled out, this comes from a sum and a difference. So if you were to FOIL these two binomials, you'd see that the middle term would be like negative 10x plus 10x, and it gives you a 0x. Okay, so now we have our two factors, and if you multiply them together, you see they're equal to 0, so we got to solve for x. So I'm going to take the first one here, the 2x plus 5, and I'm going to set that equal to 0, solve for x. And then the second one, 2x minus 5, I will set that one equal to 0, and here we're finding the solutions for x. So on the one on the left, so I'm getting negative 5 halves, which is the same thing as negative 2.5. So parabola is going to touch there on the x-axis. And then the next one, divide by 2 here and here. Positive 5 halves or positive 2.5. That's the other place that the parabola is going to touch the x-axis. So those are the two x-intercepts. That's how you do number 9. Thanks for joining me.